In this video, we'll show you how to create and publish a feed in just 3 simple steps using MP Instagram Feed. From your MP Instagram Feed dashboard, go to Recent Feeds block and click Create Feed. First, pick a layout that fits your store. Click Try Layout. You'll land on Step 1, Manage Media. All your Instagram posts are automatically synced and ready to use. Click Tag Product on any post to make it shoppable. And you can tag multiple products per post to maximize sales opportunities. You can drag and drop posts to rearrange them, or pin and hide posts to control exactly what your customers see. Don't forget to rename your feed so it's easy to manage later. Move on, Step 2. Customize feed, choose your layout, grid, slider, highlight, cover flow, or masonry. Watch the live preview on the right to see exactly how it'll look on mobile and desktop. Under Layout Settings, set the number of media to display, up to 400 per feed, and adjust columns and rows to match your style. Under Media Settings, choose what happens when customers tap a post. Show the full media information, show media only, or redirect to Instagram. Check Show Like and Comment Counts, and show caption to build instant social proof. In the heading section, you have 2 choices. Pick custom text to write your own title, like "Follow us on Instagram," or choose Instagram account information to automatically display your profile. Avatar, account name, follow button, follower count, and post count. In spacing, fine-tune the gap between your header and posts, post spacing, and top and bottom padding for perfect alignment. In advanced settings, choose a transparent or custom background color to match your store branding. Enable video autoplay when posts appear for more engaging content. Check Show Stories carousel on top to feature Instagram stories. Adjust the post border radius for a softer look. Or add custom CSS for unique styling. Check Apply Mobile Settings for desktop to use the same design on both devices, or uncheck it to create a unique desktop experience with different layouts, heading, and spacing. On desktop, you get extra controls. Video autoplay options, none when posts appear, or on hover for interactive engagement. And media overlay to show the Instagram logo or content details when customers hover over a post. Use the live preview on the right to check how your feed looks on both mobile and desktop before publishing. Finally, move to Step 3, Publish Feed. Your feed is automatically saved as soon as you reach this tab. Pick where you want the feed to appear, homepage or product page, and click Publish Feed. Your theme editor opens with the MP Instagram Feed block already added. Click here to select the feed you want to show on your storefront and watch it appear instantly in the preview. Hit Save, then click View to see the live result on your store. Congratulations! Your Instagram feed is now live and driving sales on your Shopify store. Customers can browse, engage, and purchase directly from your social content. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Shopplaza tutorials.